probably the coolest PR package I have received. Hey everybody, I have another package. I do not know who it's from. I went over to my dad's house and it was sitting outside. At this point, I need to get a box cutter. This is different. This is different. This obviously is from K18. Never received something in a tin package before. Aluminium, okay? Aluminum. If you can see, overcomplicated. Oh, get into it. Y'all can see my phone. Take it like this. And then there's the product. Check this out, y'all. This is pretty cool. This is a time as a man I wish I had acrylics on because I couldn't get this out. Little pamphlet, reflection, your reflection like new. And then it shows you what's happening in here, okay? It's supposed to reverse the graying and everything. So I don't know if it de-stresses the scalp or what. This is the Future IQ. And I do think they gave me 3 of them. Very generous, because y'all know K18. K18 is not cheap, okay? And then y'all wonder why stylists charge our prices, because these are premium quality products, okay? And then they give you a little scalp massager. It is made out of metal. So one, it's easy to disinfect and sanitize. The hairline is still there for $33, but it could be better. So I think I'm gonna take one home and use it for myself and see what it's giving. Love the packaging. Love it. It's got that iridescent pearl look to it. And it also is kind of a satin finish, not too shiny. It also shows you the line on the dropper. There you go. Can y'all see the line right there? Let's see. This is. But one thing that I will say in congruence with doing your dropper treatment is the massaging. If you've been in my chair and you are a client that has expressed your concerns about hair loss and graying, I always tell you to massage, okay? The massaging is going to help bring oxygenated blood to the areas where we are prematurely losing hair or is struggling to hold on. And then on top of that, massaging is going to use your hair as an exfoliant. So now we are taking away that top layer of skin, and then it's going to be rejuvenating itself. This is such a crazy cool package. I am super excited to try the new K18 Future IQ drops to see what it's giving. Y'all gonna have to be on the ride with us for 3 months to see some improvement and see if it actually works for myself or for my clients. Thank you so much, K18. I look forward to using these products.